So we have made the one-to-one, one-to-many relationship inside our project. It's time for us to make our many-to-many relationship for our products and tags, because each product can have multiple tags and each tag can have multiple products, and we are going to store the relationship inside a third table, which is the product tags table. And if I open the product tags table in here, you guys can see that I only store the product ID and the tag ID to keep the records of the relationship. So now let's go and create this many to many relationship. So let's open our project VS Code and let's go to inside our products table. So for many to many relationship with a pivot table, we will create a new method with the name of tags, since we are inside our products model and we want to tell Laravel that it has multiple tags. Then inside our tags method, I will type return $. This belongs to money. Then I will type my model name, which is tags. So tags colon class. After that, my pivot table, which keep the record of the relationships. In my case, it's the product tags. So I will write the name of this table in here. So it will be product tags. Then in the third parameter, I will pass the foreign key of my product. So in here, if I open the database, here the foreign key of my product is product ID. So I will copy this and paste it in here. Then finally in the fourth parameter, I will pass the foreign key of the tag table, which is tag ID. So let's copy this and paste it in here. Now our relationship has been created. If I go to my product controller and let's delete this one, we don't need it. And if I want to get the tags of the product as well, I will just type here inside my with method, I will type tags. So let's save everything. Let's go to the browser. Now refresh. Okay, we got the brand, category, creator, and also I got the tags as well. So in here, as you guys can see, I got the tags for each of my product. Here the product, this product with the ID of 3, I have these tags. Now let's go and fix the tags model also and add this relationship inside our tag also. So let me copy this and go to tag model. In here, paste this, change the method name from the tags to products. Then everything will be same except these last two parameters. We have to swap their places. So in the third parameter, it will be the tag ID, and in the fourth parameter, it will be the product ID. So now if I want to fetch all my tags with their products, so let's comment this out again, and item is equal to tag with products get. Now this will give me all my tags. Now this will give me all the tags with the product. So if I open the browser, refresh, now first I got the tag, and inside that we got all the products that uses this tag. So here you guys can see the tag with the ID of 2 and it has this product. Same for the 3, it has these products. So this is how you can create your many to many relationship with a pivot table. First parameter, you will type the model name. Then the second parameter, you will type your pivot table. Then the same table foreign keys. And finally the tag model or your relationship model foreign key in the last parameter.